due to vehicle shaking, winds and tree branches. The top of our chimney often gets loose and fall. Like so, I want to share a little hack with you guys. First of all, we don't want to glue the chimney. Because if we glue it, it will be hard to change for a new one someday. Like so, what we can do to safely secure it. To start, just screw the chimney top on the exhaust tube. Then, grab the thinnest screw that you can find. Make sure you use a wood screw, of about 3 centimeters. And now just screw it down through the end, and make sure you catch both chimney top and the chimney. Now it will stay completely secure, not any vibration, winds, or trees could unscrew it. Thanks for watching, friends. Hope you like it. Goodbye.